Well, let's take a look at cloud architecture terminologies. Before we do, let's talk about some of the roles that are around doing cloud architecture. So the first is solutions architect. This is a role in a technical organization that architects a technical solution using multiple systems via researching, documentation, and experimentation. And then you have the cloud architect. This is a solutions architect that is focused solely on architecting technical solutions using cloud services. Understand that in the actual marketplace, a lot of times solutions architect is used to describe both a cloud architect and a solutions architect. And, these are going to highly vary based on your locality and how companies want to use these terms, but this is just me broadly defining them here, so just don't take them as perfect word in terms of what they're representing. So a cloud architect needs to understand the following terms and factors and factor them into their designed architecture based on the business requirements. So we have the idea of availability, your ability to ensure a service remains available; scalability, your ability to grow rapidly or unimpeded; elasticity, your ability to shrink and grow to meet the demand; fault tolerance, your ability to prevent a failure; disaster recovery, your ability to recover from a failure. And there are a couple other things that that should be considered. They're not terminologies, but they're definitely important to a solutions architect or a cloud architect. And these are things you always need to consider as well. And this is just me talking to my solutions architect friends, where they'll always ask me these two questions after presentation. They'll say, how secure is the solution and how much is this going to cost? All right. And so for the terminologies up here, we're going to define these right away, and we're going to figure these out throughout the course. We have two giant sections just on cost and security alone. So there we go.